Now, moving on to our story, we could just take the stories and then discuss on top hand. Now, the first story we get for you concerns this Nigerian chief. They say a certain chief, Joseph Chukwuolobelu, they don't arrest him and detain him for inside Kenya. Why? Because they're saying they wear bangle made of ivory. And according by the Kenyan government, this one actually symbolize a lot of things, and they against their laws for anybody to wear bangle, neck piece, where they make of ivory. We don't see how, ivory, they're very expensive. So maybe for that country, they don't actually ban them. Now, they say he traveled to Kenya dressed in his Nigerian attire as a chief, and before they actually don't, they arrest him. Now, this one not be the first time this particular thing they happen for inside Kenya. Again, one particular man where they actually Kolobi because in they eat fried goat meat. Now, according by for me, they talk say the Nigerian government, they actually look for ways to talk to the Kenyan authorities to actually release this man. Bringing us now to research. Now, I just believe, say, for you to travel, go another person's land, you need to research on the rules and regulation in that land. No matter what you be, you need to actually research on what they like or what they don't like. Now, what I think about the story, was the man wrong in wearing bangle made of ivory to Kenya?
Yes, because a lot of people now go talk, say, okay, na your own culture and everything, but now they go a foreign man land, and you need to abide by their own rules and regulations. The same way where we get our own culture and traditions for inside here, and when Oyibo people come, we go want to make them respect our culture and traditions. Now, the same way, when you go another man land, you need to research, just like you talk, find out the things where you say they approve, and the things where they don't approve, and make sure, say, you abide by their laws. Because then say, wherever you go to, you need to abide by it. Even for inside the Holy Book, and say, give to Caesar what is Caesar. So the one way belongs to them. If they tell you, say, you need to walk on one leg, as long as you know, say, you know if you walk on one leg, they don't go their country. Simple. Just stay where you did. But if you decide, say, you won't go there, then it means, say, you don't already sign on written, whatever, say, whatever, anyone would then tell you, say, may you do, then you go do, because you're there for inside their land. And nobody will hold them accountable for it.
At all. Because simply put, ignorance is not an excuse.
Thank you.
So if you just carry your two left legs, say, because I be chief, I be waiting, I get the right to wear my red cap and carry my bracelet and everything, enter another man's country, wear red cap, signify another thing, who you go hold? You hold yourself. Simple.
And I don't talk and finish, actually, because the point I be say, if I say make I put anything on top, I go just repeat waiting all of and I don't talk. I like when I talk rules and regulations, saying suppose no waiting they applicable to the place. Yes, that one I to tell you, in as much as we Nigerians and with their adventures, we they like go other countries. But before we go, may we ask ourselves one-on-one for year. Say before I go, I know waiting they want for them and waiting they no want. All of these things, they're very important for us to know, because this man now, if he just do a out of saying, he no, definitely, he no, before he jam, he no, say this kind of thing go land and for that kind of trouble. But then at this point, I can't wonder another thing. Now, they wonder this government of this particular country where we talk about, how it take the very easy for them to quick catch him among so many people. Anyway, I know say then go get authorities for seeing land.
Maybe airport authorities don't see him already and alert police.
You know another thing, Nigerians like to show themselves. Because now they go another man land where they don't recognize whether you be chief or not. So what's be the point?
Now, person they talk online say, are we saying now Oba? Are we saying now, let's say, like a bigger position for inside Nigeria where they actually, let's say, like the...
Where they recognize outside.
Where they recognize outside. And if they are acceptable. Not normal chief. And just because you want to say a chief you be for inside Kenya. Why dress like chief?
You will tell you, say Africa, so they understand the symbolism.
Africa now waiting land for the situation with this so. But you know waiting happen. I like that part when you say Nigeria government, they look whether they feel rescue.
Yeah.
I go for me, I go really like if we fit rescue. At least it go show say there's love for our citizens when they go outside the country, and there's a level of protection for Nigerians.
Outside the country,
yes.
Right? That's the level of protection. We will actually follow up the story to see whether they will release him or whether they will sentence him at the end of the day, because they actually go court now to answer this question on why in where ivory enter inside Kenya. Now, like what you talk, now one thing we Nigerians don't always do, we want to go another person land, not the research. I am guilty of it. I want to go person land and not the research. Even within us here, if they get some states where they get their own rules and regulations, we want to go there, we not they actually investigate. If something happened, they'll say, hey, they just catch me, beat me, or I do this one, they just beat me, or can you imagine? They are infringing on my own rights. But you don't actually investigate or research to know the kind laws where they for there.
You know, say even states too far. We will talk of offices. You won't go work for a particular office. You know, so definitely some offices get their rules and regulations. Some offices then go tell you, say, if you come my office, make sure you dress corporate. We know they allow me anybody wear jeans for my office. For my office, some kind of things, though they agree. But you go still go to the office, come wear jeans. If they can't give you your own wahala, you go talk say exactly. Say how they get the right. Why they go say I no wear jeans? What's my jean do you? But now there are rules. Now waiting they no want. If you not say you know if you do them, why take the job?
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.